MICROMAX Canvas Mega, and let me show you how to check IMEI and serial number on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start here by using the home screen, then find and select the fonts dialer, and let's here use this secret code *#06#, and as you can see, the IMEI number just pops up, so you can read this number from the following view. Let's tap OK to confirm it. And now let me show you how to check IMEI and serial number by using settings. So let's use apps icon, find and select here settings. Here I have settings. Scroll down to the bottom of the list and choose about phone. So here you can find the information by tapping status, and here you can have access to IP address, Wi-Fi MAC address, serial number, and also IMEI information. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.